Assalamualaikum everyone. If you're a Mathletics subscribed teacher and wish to know more about your Mathletics teachers dashboard, this video is to support you and help you understand what are the different features available in Mathletics teachers dashboard and how Mathletics students dashboard operates. So here's the main website. It's www.mathletics.com, and I strongly suggest you to visit the main page, explore different tabs over here because they will help you understand details of the features available, what are the theories behind them and how they work. So now when you're at the home page, on your right side you can see a sign in tab. Click on student school and enter the credentials that you have got from your administration. Click sign in and this will straight away take you to your Mathletics teachers dashboard. Here you go. So this is your working space teachers, and as you can see the home page displays show me how to. It means कि आप किसी भी feature पे click कीजिएगा, so Mathletics is going to provide you a step-by-step instruction to help you understand more about the feature और उसको कैसे operate करना है. Furthermore, Mathletics need help पे अगर आप क्लिक करते हैं, so एक complete video based support hub आपके पास available होता है that will also help you understand multiple features. But since I'm giving you a walkthrough, so I'm skipping this help section. Before I explain you what are the multiple features available in Mathletics teachers dashboard, it is very important for you to understand how the students dashboard operates. टू लॉन्च अ स्टूडेंट्स डैशबोर्ड आपके पास दो तरीके हैं. पहला तरीका कि आपके लेफ्ट पे जो मेन्यू आ रहा है उसके सबसे बॉटम पे यू हैव गॉट स्टूडेंट्स व्यू. If you click the students view, you will be able to launch Mathletics students dashboard. आप अपनी relevant class select कीजिए and you can launch a primary dashboard or a secondary dashboard. But since these are demonstration dashboards, इसमें access थोड़ा सा limited होता है. To understand a students dashboard completely, you can go to manage students. And over here you will be able to see your students, their usernames and passwords, as you can see. So you can access a username and password of a student and launch it in a separate dashboard as I am doing it at the moment for you people. This will help you understand the details of student dashboard clearly. So this is the Mathletics students dashboard, and as you can see everything on this dashboard, the background, the avatar, it's all customizable. Students play games, they earn credit points और इन credit points के बदले वो अपने dashboard को customize कर सकते हैं. The whole dashboard is divided into 4 different sections: learn, explore, play and review. Learn section, it displays over here curriculum based activities. करिकुलम जो बैक एंड से टीचर ने सेट किया होता है. मैथलेटिक्स प्रोवाइड्स यू 219 डिफरेंट करिकुलाज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम 19 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, जिसमें से आप चूज कर सकते हैं. और अगर आपको उनमें से नहीं चूज करना, सो यू कैन फर्दर कस्टमाइज दोज करिकुलाज एज पर योर स्कूल्स डिमांड. सो ये जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं ये करिकुलम बेस्ड एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं. ऑल दीज कॉन्सेप्ट्स फर्दर गेट्स एक्टिविटीज़ विद आर यू रेडी एंड अ पोस्ट टेस्ट ऑप्शन अवेलेबल एज वेल. यू कैन फर्दर एक्सप्लोर दीज एक्टिविटीज़, enjoy and play. To strengthen the curriculum based activities, Mathletics offers you quests. ये क्वेस्ट टीचर्स ने बैक एंड पे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सेट किए होते हैं. शी कैन एक्चुअली असाइन वन क्वेस्ट एट अ टाइम और मल्टीपल क्वेस्ट एज पर हर डिमांड, एंड एवरी क्वेस्ट हैव गॉट मल्टीपल स्टेजेस, मल्टीपल लेवल्स. एक बच्चा पार करता है ऑटोमेटिकली दूसरे पे आ जाता है, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फॉर्थ. So your complete learn section helps the student master curriculum based activities. Mathletics further provide opportunities to students to develop fluency in their math skills, and for this a play section is designed. This play section have got multiple live games and challenges to help students develop fluency, including famous live Mathletics, multiverse and an A to Z math, animated maths dictionary and a lot more that you can explore. Next comes in the explore section. This explore section is divided into activities and videos. Videos are concept based magic mentor videos for young learners and timetable tunes as well. Other than this activity section involves problem solving and reasoning games. These are teachers' prerogative. Teachers can assign these activities to students as per their requirement. These problem solving and reasoning activities are designed in modern learning environment, or actually these help students relate math to real world. बहुत interesting problem solving और reasoning की activities होती हैं. This review section helps students access the assessments, homeworks that teacher assigned to them. उनके results आ रहे होते हैं, further वो अपने लिए target set कर सकते हैं. Complete student autonomy is developed through this review section, जहाँ पे बच्चे अपने results खुद देखते हैं, अपनी weakness को खुद target करते हैं, and they can go back to learn section and learn the concepts that they wish to know more about. So this was a brief of student dashboard. Now let's move back to teachers dashboard and see how teachers dashboard helps students. So we were at home, we understood that home section is displays, show me how to section. Next to home is manage students, and this section actually helps you cater differentiated learning. Yes, not everybody in a classroom is at the same level. कुछ बच्चे बहुत high achievers होते हैं माशाल्लाह. There are students who are struggling with a few concepts. So what you can do is Mathletics provides you opportunities to divide students in groups. As you can see, these are my students, and I do have divided these students into multiple groups. I can create a new group, assign the students multiple activities of other level that I wish to assign. I wish the students to practice more, और बहुत easily मैं students को अपने groups में divide कर सकती हूँ. Furthermore, the courses allows the teachers to see, view those 119 different curriculums we were talking about from multiple countries. Teachers can view these curriculums and further customize these as per their students' demands. Assign and review helps teachers understand the courses further. Understanding practice and fluency is about the quests we were talking about in the learn section of students. Problem solving and reasoning activities, teachers can actually go into the detail of the activities that are available on children's console. उनको खोल सकती हैं, उनको देख सकती हैं, प्रीव्यू कर सकती हैं, टीचर्स नोट्स को स्टडी कर सकती हैं. बहुत डिटेल टीचर रिसोर्स इज अवेलेबल फॉर टीचर्स टू हेल्प them take the learning in classroom the best possible way. इसके अलावा रिजल्ट सेक्शन में बहुत डिटेल रिजल्ट्स आ रहे होते हैं, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, मिनट बाय मिनट रिजल्ट्स, कितनी दफ़ा खेला है, कितनी इंप्रूवमेंट आई है बच्चे में. सो बहुत डिटेल रिजल्ट्स रिजल्ट सेक्शन में अवेलेबल होते हैं. रिपोर्ट्स अगैन हेल्प्स टीचर्स अंडरस्टैंड एंड डिग डाउन द रिपोर्ट टू एन इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट कि वो उनकी वीकनेस क्या है, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, हाउ कैन टीचर्स फर्दर इम्प्रूव दोज रिजल्ट्स. Resource Hub, I call it a complete value addition for teachers. Mathletics library composing of multiple hundreds of ebooks that students and teachers can access through their dashboards. Teachers can download these worksheets, use them in their classrooms, and use it for blended teaching and hybrid teaching as the model requires in this tough period of time. Other than this, there are settings option available, and of course I told you about the student view. So this was a brief of Mathletics teachers dashboard. If you want to know more about the details about every feature, you can always access Help Hub from here. I hope this will help you experience love learning with Mathletics. Take care, happy learning, Allah Hafiz.